Welcome to our Mathcast on probability. Our goal is to help you better understand the concepts at hand when you need it and at your own pace.
The probability of event, number of favorable outcomes, total number of outcomes.
Experiment in which results are observed. Trial and outcome. Each observation and each result. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment.
The soccer team has an 80% chance of winning. Give the probability for each outcome. If the probability of winning is 80%, you would have to find the probability of losing. So you would take 100 and you would subtract 80 from that, which you would get 20. So that is how you find your losses. So then it would be 20%. And to check if your answer is right, you would add them together. So you'd do 80 plus 20, which does equal 100, and that is how you know you are right.
If you roll a number cube, find the probability of rolling each number below. Find how many times the number will occur in 300 rolls.
So, the probability of rolling a 3 or a 6. So first, you'd find out how many times 3 and 6 will occur in a number cube, which is 2. So you would do 2 over 6. Then you could reduce it, which would be 1 over 3. Then, since it says out of 300 rolls, you'd have to multiply by 300. And since it does not have a denominator, it would go over 1. So then 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 times 300 is 300. Then you would have to simplify, which if 3 can go into 3 once, and 3 goes into 300 100 times. So if it's 100 over 1, it's the same as 100. So your answer would just be 100.
As you can see, now we have p over 9, but there is no 9 in a dice cube, so the answer would be 0 times, because that is a trick question, because there is no 9 on a cube.
There are 6 cookies in a jar, 2 chocolate chip, 2 sugar, and 2 M&M. What is the probability of pulling an M&M cookie out of the jar? So there's 2 cookies that are M&M out of a total of 6 cookies. So you would reduce it. So 2 goes into 2 1 time, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So you'd have a 1/3 chance of pulling an M&M cookie out of the jar. And your label would be chance.
Thank you for listening to this Mathcast. Please feel free to listen and learn from other Mathcasts on this channel.
When you're doing math, it's a blast!